Goedemorgen, achtstejaars. Dit is alweer de 6e week van het thuisonderwijs en we gaan beginnen met jullie startdictee. Dat ga ik in het Engels doen, dus vanaf nu spreek ik alleen nog maar Engels op dit filmpje. I am going to read to you the dictation. Be prepared with your spelling book on the page of Start Dictation Week 6 and a pencil. Listen carefully to the sentence I'm reading. Then listen carefully to the word you have to write down. Put the film on pause if you need to write down the word. And if you have read the word out loud, then start the film again for the next word. There we go. Sunflowers grow very quickly. They can grow to over 2 meters tall. Write down grow. Grow. Poor people are often hungry. Write down hungry. Hungry. I don't know where my phone is. Write down I don't know. I don't know. That's not one word. It's a few words. A jail is a place where bad people are kept. Write down jail. Jail. This man has a funny laugh. He sounds like a duck. Write down laugh. Laugh. I have lived all my life in London. Write down life. Life. Our house is very old. It was built a long time ago. Write down long time ago. Also, this is 3 words, not one. Long time ago. Long time ago. The house is empty. There is nobody there. Write down nobody. Nobody. Lots of people live in Los Angeles. Write down people. People. Last one. The police caught the man and took him prisoner. Write down prisoner. Prisoner. Okay, I will repeat all the words. Grow. Hungry. I don't know. Prison. Funny. Life. Long time ago. Nobody. Los Angeles. And prisoner. Okay, now you can check if you wrote the words right. And if you made some mistakes, that's no problem. Just write the words down 3 times to never forget it anymore. And remember that you have to find these words and translate them into Dutch, because at the end of the week on Friday you will get a dictation in Dutch, and you'll have to write down the translation in in English. Sorry. Okay. So have a good time this week. I'll see you tomorrow for your next dictation. Have a good week. Bye bye.